Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the EKR seat covers for Toyota Tacoma, and before you make a choice on protecting your truck's interior, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research, and I'll include a link to the best price in the description below. In this video we'll evaluate these custom-fit seat covers based on price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The EKR seat covers for Toyota Tacoma are precision-engineered luxury seat protectors specifically designed for 2024 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma double cab models including SR, SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, and limited trim levels. What immediately sets these covers apart is their exceptional custom-fit design that transforms your truck's interior while providing comprehensive protection. These covers are tailored to fit like a glove, ensuring zero slippage and maintaining the sleek, professional appearance Tacoma owners expect. The premium material construction is CA Prop 65 certified safe, featuring advanced waterproof technology with breathable fabric that protects your original seats from daily wear, spills, mud, and UV damage. The multi-layer design includes a waterproof TPU coating that repels liquids while allowing air circulation, preventing moisture buildup and odors. This makes them perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, contractors, pet owners, and anyone who uses their Tacoma for both work and recreation. Installation is remarkably straightforward with EKR's comprehensive video guide system. The covers feature an innovative hook-and-loop fastening system combined with elastic straps that secure firmly to your seat frames. Most users report complete installation in under 45 minutes for the full set, with no tools required. The precision cutouts ensure perfect alignment with all seat controls, including power adjustments and lumbar support. Furthermore, these seat covers maintain full functionality of all safety features. The airbag-compatible design includes special stitching that allows side airbags to deploy properly in case of an accident. All seat belt receptacles remain fully accessible, and the covers work seamlessly with integrated armrests and console connections. The attention to detail extends to maintaining access to seat-mounted storage pockets and USB ports found in higher trim levels. The outstanding durability is backed by a 2-year warranty that covers any manufacturing defects or premature wear. The reinforced stitching uses heavy-duty polyester thread that resists tearing even under extreme conditions. Additionally, the covers are machine washable, making maintenance simple. Meticulous, just remove, wash on gentle cycle, and air dry to restore their original appearance. These covers are particularly impressive for Tacoma owners who frequently transition between work and leisure activities. The waterproof protection means you can jump in after fishing, hiking, or working on a construction site without worrying about damaging your original upholstery. The material also resists staining from coffee spills, food accidents, and pet incidents. Moreover, the aesthetic appeal shouldn't be overlooked. The covers maintain the rugged yet refined look Tacoma owners appreciate, with color options that complement the truck's interior perfectly. The textured surface provides excellent grip while remaining comfortable for long drives, and the breathable design prevents the sticky feeling common with lower-quality vinyl covers. However, one notable downside some users may find is that the rear bench seat cover can be slightly challenging to install around the fold-down armrest mechanism on certain trim levels. While the fit is still secure once properly installed, this particular section might require extra patience and careful alignment to achieve the perfect fit. The remarkable value proposition becomes clear when considering replacement seat costs, which can exceed $2,000 per seat at dealerships. These covers effectively preserve your truck's resale value while providing daily protection and comfort enhancement. You got it. So that's it for the best Toyota Tacoma seat covers on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped you, comment below if you're gonna buy them or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.